Welcome back to Musicians Edition. We're still working on our scales. So today we're going to learn our E flat major scale in the C minor scale. Are you ready? Let's go! So in the E flat major scale, we have three flats: B flat, E flat, and A flat. So just like our previous episodes, we're going to take this note by note. All right, so our first note is E. Okay, so to play E flat, we have thumb, index, middle, ring on our left hand, and then on our right hand, we have index, middle, ring, and pinky. And it sounds like this. Why don't you go ahead and try to play E flat? Great. Now if you're playing the higher register E flat on accident, your air is moving a little too fast and your lips are a little too tight. So try loosening up your lips just a little and try slowing the air down. All right, and then once you get your E flat, the next note is F. And to play F, your left hand remains the same, so thumb, middle, index, ring, and then on your right hand, it's index and pinky. So why don't you go ahead and try playing your F? Excellent. So now let's play E flat and F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now our next note is G. And to play G, all you do is take up that index finger. So the full fingering is thumb, index, middle, ring, and on your right hand, it's just the pinky. So why don't you go ahead and play your G real quick? Excellent. So now let's play E flat through G. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, our next note is A flat. So to play A flat now is you put the pinky finger on our left hand. So we have all fingers down on the left hand and then just the pinky on the right. Why don't you go ahead and play your A flat? Excellent. So now let's play E flat through A flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our next note is B flat. To play B flat, it's thumb and index, and on our right hand, it's index, pinky. Why don't you go ahead and play B flat real quick? Great. So now let's play E flat through B flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our next note is C, and to play C, you take your thumb off. You have index finger on our left hand, and on our right hand, it's just the pinky. Why don't you go ahead and play C real quick? Excellent. So now let's play E flat through C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next note is D. And to play D, it's thumb down, middle, ring, and on our right hand, it's index, middle, and ring. Why don't you go ahead and play D real quick? Excellent. So now let's play E through D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our next note is E flat. And to play E flat, all you do now is put that pinky down on your right hand. So the full fingering for this E flat is thumb down, middle, and ring. And then on our right hand, it's index, middle, ring, and pinky. So why don't you go ahead and play that E flat real quick. So now let's play the E flat scale going up. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now let's play it downwards. We'll still take it note by note, but now that we know the fingerings, we won't have to do the fingerings going down. All right, so now let's do E to D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have C. So now E flat to C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our next note is B flat. So now E flat to B flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next note is A flat. So let's do E flat to A flat now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's G. So play E flat to G with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next we have F. So let's play E flat to F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to end on our lower E flat. So let's play it all the way down this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, so now let's play it going all the way up and then coming back down. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. How did you do? Let's do it one more time with the music. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now, just for the fun of it, let's try to do it from memory. If you don't get it, no worries. There's no harm in trying, right? All right, from memory. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. How'd you do? Did you get it from memory? Let me know in the comments. All right, so now let's switch over to the C minor scale. We know all of our fingerings already since it has the same signatures and the same notes, just our beginning note changes. That's really the only difference. That's why I like to learn the major scale with its corresponding minor scale. It's just easier to me to learn them that way. If you feel differently, I mean, you don't have to continue on. You can stop and learn your majors first and then do your minors, which is what most people do, but I feel this is easier. All right, and especially when you have to memorize them, well, we should memorize them. If you're taking your musical skills to a higher career, like being a music teacher or performer, you'll need to have these memorized. So, our C minor scale. We're going to start with the note C, and you can always tell because it's the name of this scale. So let's play C. All right, easy enough since we already played C. So now let's do C to D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next we have E flat because it's in our key signature. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have F. so let's do C to F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have G is next. C to G now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's A flat. So let's play C to A flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then remember, it's B flat next. So let's play C to B flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our last note is C. And the fingering for this C is the same. Remember, we're just going to make our air go faster, so you'll want to tighten your lips just a little bit to make the air go faster. All right, so let's do the C minor scale going all the way up. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now let's do it going downwards. So we're gonna do C to B flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have A flat. So C to A flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next note is G. So let's play C to G. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our next note is F. So let's do C to F. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have E flat. So let's do C to E flat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's D. So C to D. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's C. So now we can do it all the way down. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. So now we can do the whole C minor scale going up and down. So why don't we do that? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's do it one more time before doing it by memory. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's take the music out and let's try to do it by memory. All right, you ready? I know you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Well, that's all the time we have today. Keep practicing your scales, and if you want to just play off the sheet music and not the video later, that's fine. I do have the sheet music in the description. I also probably should have said that in the beginning of the video in case you wanted to just look at that while we played. So hopefully you didn't need it. If so, you can always go back and watch again with your music. Anyway, the music is in the description. All right, before I let you go, I just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button so you don't miss any of our lessons. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.